Hello everyone, today we are going to make fried noodle with mayo. The ingredients needed are noodles, cheese, mayo, and chili flakes. First, pour the noodles, seasoning, and mayo into a bowl. Add a little cheese and mix till evenly combined. Heat water on the stove and put the noodles into the pot of boiling water. Wait until the noodles soften. Next, transfer the noodles into the bowl. Stir the noodles and seasoning until well mixed. Add a sprinkle of chili flakes. Fried noodles with a mayo are ready to enjoy. Thank you.